Hi guys, welcome to Real Life Study. Today, I will show you how to insert customized page border, so without wasting our time let's get started. First of all, go to your Chrome browser then. Click on the search bar and search Free Border Download. I will give Free Borders download link in description. Select your favorite border and download it. When you have downloaded it, open your MS Word. And then open your project. Now do the following. Go to Menu Insert tab. Select Picture tab, select from here Downloaded Border. When you have done, save the document. Now I will show you how to insert page border from default MS Word page border. And done, now you can save your project. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.